In a forest woven from ancient oaks and whispering pines lived a creature of pure magic, a songbird whose voice was the very breath of dawn. Her melodies, a cascade of liquid gold and stardust, painted the air with joy, awakening every leaf and creature. The forest knew no other music, so utterly captivating was her song. Yet, beneath the shimmer of her iridescent feathers, a tiny, persistent shadow stirred within the bird's heart. She listened to her own wondrous notes, not with pride, but with a growing unease. "This cannot be real," she chirped to the morning dew. "Surely I am merely mimicking the true music of the wind, or perhaps I have tricked them all into believing a common call is something grand. My song is a fleeting illusion, and I a fraud." The shadow grew, consuming her joy until one crisp morning her beak remained closed. No golden notes spilled forth. The sun rose, but the forest felt no warmth. Days bled into weeks. Life's symphony dwindled to a muted hum. The forest, once vibrant, grew quiet, then mournful. The flowers drooped, streams flowed with heavy sighs, and the very air held its breath, waiting for a sound that never came. For the songbird, perched high on her silent branch, the forest's quiet was a stark mirror. She saw the drooping leaves, the hushed streams, the longing in her fellow creatures' eyes. It was then, in that profound stillness, that a terrible truth unfolded. Her self-doubt, a whispered lie, had not merely silenced her song, but muted the very soul of the entire forest. The melody was not an illusion. It was a gift, withheld by her own hand. The doubt in your own mind can silence the beauty in the world. Which part of the Songbird's story resonated most with you? Share your thoughts below, and follow for more digital fables.